Okay, let's talk about 11.08 Master Tomb. Ji Wu Qin, Qi Tian Qin. The name Qi Tian Qin most literally implies
Precious therapeutic value.
precious therapeutic value. Qi Wu Qin and Qi Tian Qin are primarily located on the
Uh,
Dorsal
sa
index
in,
points are positioned
hyphen ulnar to the median line.
as the point unit 11.08 consists of
2 points.
2 points. Which point is more distal? That means mas malayo sa'yo.
Letter
Lin
B.
Chi Wu Qin.
Yes. The reaction area associated with 11.08 is the
Lung space.
phase. This point is especially effective for
Fish bone stuck in the throat. Oh my God.
yes.
So,
Additional insertion depth from the earliest description is approximately
1/2 pen.
wow. Anatomically, these points involve branches of the
radial and
medial
median.
nerves. The musculature associated with the region includes
Lumbrical
Deltoid.
and interosseous.
Lumbrical and interosseous.
the vascular supply,
Palmar and dorsal artery.
Qi Wu Qin is located approximately
33
See
from the
second
second
finger.
yeah, 32 tune from the second finger crease. Qi Tian Qin is approximately
0.66 tune from the second finger crease.
okay. Qi Jian Qin is approximately 0.66 tune from the second finger crease. Jin metal points influence which paired organs?
Lungs and large intestine.
The therapeutic rationale partly derives from the lung,
dominating
the throat.
dominating the throat. The large intestine is said to dominate the
abdomen.
abdomen, which condition is explicitly stated as highly responsive to 11.08.
Gastric duodenal ulcer.
Which pair points are stated to be more effective?
Trowuji and Juwuji.
Yes, letter C. Hindi pa natin, we haven't taken that up yet. The points belong holographically to?
Liver spleen correspondence.
In holographic correspondence, the index finger strongly relates to
Liver,
spleen, digestive tract.
which gynecological condition is specifically listed?
Dysmenorrhea.
Which is not listed as a gynecological indication?
Sciatica.
Placenta previa.
Placenta previa. Hindi siya kasama. Which pain disorder is listed?
Sciatica.
Which digestive disorder is included?
Gastritis.
Emotional indications are associated with?
Emotional liver chase stagnation patterns.
These points associate with?
Qi and blood movement.
Wow. Which pairing is commonly recommended with 11.08? Hindi pa natin to alam. But anyway, this is... What's your guess?
Pericardium 6 and spleen 4.
Uy,
Ako, hula lang to 77,
Hula lang do.
77-21.
okay,
Wala.
you know why? Because that's the only thing na hindi siya... Yan lang yung iba, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi master ko mula lang.
Correct
Master
answer.
ko
Hindi niya alam kung saan na. Ang dami pala, no? 77. Another commonly paired point set includes... Naku, ano to?
Pinku and Taytay.
Dapat.
Recommended insertion direction.
Oblique error
Oblique.
transverse.
The usual median depth range.
0.2 to 0.5 soon.
Yes. A major precaution is to avoid
Deep perpendicular insertion. Sakat yan.
tenderness on palpation is considered
A signs of
Not
effectiveness.
effective enough.
which statement best explains throat indications.
Lung
Lungs
dominates
dominate
the
the throat.
The point lies on
The owner side of the proximal index phalanx.
the original text divides the line into
Line. 3 equal segments.
equal segments. Which statement is ingay? Maingay.
Dalaw.
Wait lang. Okay. Which statement is true? Yung iba nakikinig ba or
Di man yun natin.
okay,
Di man controversial.
statement is true.
The points are often needed bilaterally.
Bilateral.
Bilaterally. Which organ relationship is emphasized?
Emphasize. Di ba lungs, large intestine, exterior relationship.
Which condition is not directly mentioned?
Asthma.
Wala mo sinabing asthma.
The location responds most closely to which classical channel?
LI.
Large intestine.
All LI channel points on the index finger may influence
Lung and LI disorders.
which emotional presentation best fits 11.08 usage?
Rotability with chest stagnation.
Yes. The therapeutic scope includes
Lower abdominal disorders.
the regional anatomy includes
Pulmonary branch nerve preparation.
the points are particularly valued clinically for
Immediate pain relief.
Immediate pain.
relief.
immediate pain relief. Which statement regarding nomenclature is correct?
Gene refers to gold or metal.
The location is described as
1/5
1/5
ulnar to the middle.
which pathology best matches the points mechanism?
Chest stagnation.
Affecting
Abdomen and throat.
By point unit, terminology refers to
2 anatomical paired.
two anatomically paired points. Which structure should the practitioner needle closely along?
Edge of the phalanx.
Yes. And the last one, the strongest overall clinical theme of 11.08 is
Regulating liver digestive lower abdomen disorders.
wow, congratulations everyone for answering
Thanks.
a perfect for